Life can sometimes feel like a heavy load. You wake up, go through the motions, and wonder if there's more. The routine becomes a cage. You feel stuck, unable to break free. It's a common feeling that many people share. This feeling of being stuck can be overwhelming. It drains your energy and dims your spirit. You may find yourself questioning your purpose. Why am I here? What is the point of all this? These questions can haunt your thoughts. But what if there was a way out? What if you could unlock a door to a different reality? A place where your dreams are not just dreams, but your everyday life. This idea might sound far-fetched, but it's worth exploring. In this essay, we will delve into the concept of parallel realities. We will explore how your thoughts and feelings can shape your world. We will look at scientific evidence and insights from experts. By the end, you might see your life in a whole new light. Parallel realities are a captivating concept. Imagine there are countless versions of you. Each version lives a different life based on different choices. Some versions are living your dream life right now. This idea is both thrilling and mind-boggling. The theory of parallel realities suggests that every decision creates a new path. These paths exist simultaneously. Think of it as a tree with many branches. Each branch represents a different reality. You are on one branch, but other branches are there too. This concept is not just science fiction. It's a topic of serious study. Scientists and philosophers have pondered it for years. They wonder if we can tap into these other realities. Can we shift from one reality to another? The possibilities are endless. Understanding parallel realities can change how you see your life. It opens up the idea that you are not stuck. You have the power to change your path. You can move towards a reality where you are living your dream life. Positive thinking is more than just a feel-good mantra. It's a powerful tool for shaping your reality. When you think positively, you send out positive energy. This energy can attract good things into your life. It's like a magnet drawing in what you desire. Your thoughts and feelings are like seeds. When you plant positive seeds, you grow a positive life. This concept is simple but profound. It means that you have control over your reality. You can choose to focus on the good and let go of the bad. Think about a time when you felt truly happy. That happiness likely brought more good things your way. This is not a coincidence. It's the power of positive thinking in action. Your positive energy attracts positive experiences. By focusing on what you want rather than what you don't want, you can shift your reality. This shift might seem small at first, but it can grow. Over time, you can move closer to your dream life. It's all about where you place your focus and energy. The idea of parallel realities is backed by science. Quantum physics explores multiple realities. These realities are like layers of an onion. Particles can exist in multiple states at once. This is known as superposition. Our reality can change based on our choices. Joe Dispenza explains how our brains create our experiences. By changing our thoughts, we change our reality. Section 5. Joe Dispenza's Insights. Joe Dispenza is a pioneer in the field of personal transformation. His work focuses on the connection between the mind and reality. He believes that we can create our desired life through focused thought and feeling. Dispenza's research shows that our brains are like computers. They can be reprogrammed. By changing our thoughts, we can change our brain's wiring. This process is known as neuroplasticity. It means that our brains are not fixed. They can adapt and grow. According to Dispenza, our thoughts create our reality. If we think and feel successful, we can manifest success. It's about aligning our thoughts with our desired outcomes. This alignment creates a new path, a new reality. Dispenza's teachings offer a roadmap to personal transformation. They show that we are not victims of our circumstances. We have the power to change our reality. By harnessing the power of our mind, we can unlock new possibilities and live our dream life. Section 6. Eckhart Tolle's Teachings. Eckhart Tolle is another influential figure in the realm of personal growth. His teachings focus on the power of the present moment. Tolle believes that being fully present can transform our lives. Tolle's book, The Power of Now, emphasizes the importance of mindfulness. He argues that most of our suffering comes from living in the past or future. By focusing on the now, we can find peace and clarity. This clarity can open doors to new realities. Tolle also talks about the concept of presence. Presence is a state of being fully aware and engaged. When we are present, we can connect with different aspects of reality. This connection can lead to profound personal transformation. Tola's teachings align with the idea of parallel realities. By being present, we can access different layers of reality. We can move towards a life that aligns with our dreams and desires. His insights provide a powerful tool for unlocking our potential. Section 7. The Cosmic Connection. The universe is vast and full of wonders. Stars, planets, and galaxies stretch out infinitely. This cosmic imagery can inspire us to think beyond our current reality. It reminds us that there is so much more out there. Imagine looking up at the night sky. Each star represents a different possibility. Some stars are closer, others are far away, but they all exist simultaneously. This is similar to the concept of parallel realities. Each reality is like a star in the sky. The cosmos also teaches us about energy. Everything in the universe is made of energy. This energy connects everything. It flows through us and around us. By tapping into this energy, we can influence our reality. Thinking about the cosmos can expand our minds. It encourages us to dream big, to believe that anything is possible. The universe is full of potential, and so are we. By aligning our energy with the cosmos, we can unlock new realities and live our dream life. Section 8. Energy and Experience. Energy is the driving force behind our experiences. Everything we do, think, and feel is influenced by energy. This energy can shape our reality in powerful ways. By understanding and harnessing this energy, we can create the life we desire. Our thoughts and emotions are forms of energy. Positive thoughts and feelings emit high-frequency energy. This energy attracts similar high-frequency experiences. It's like tuning into a radio station. When you tune into a positive frequency, you receive positive signals. Negative thoughts and feelings, on the other hand, emit low-frequency energy. This energy attracts negative experiences. It's important to be mindful of our energy. By focusing on positive energy, we can shift our reality towards our dreams. Energy is also connected to the concept of parallel realities. Each reality vibrates at a different frequency. By aligning our energy with our desired reality, we can move towards it. This alignment is the key to unlocking new possibilities and living our dream life. Section 9. Manifesting your dream life. Manifesting your dream life is about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and energy. It's about focusing on what you want and believing that it's possible. This process can transform your reality in profound ways. Start by visualizing your dream life. See it in your mind's eye. Feel the emotions of living that life. This visualization creates a powerful energy. It sends a signal to the universe that you are ready for this reality. Next, take action towards your dreams. Even small steps can make a big difference. Each action moves you closer to your desired reality. It's about creating momentum and staying focused on your goal. Finally, trust the process. Believe that you are capable of manifesting your dream life. Let go of doubts and fears. Embrace the journey and stay positive. By aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions, you can unlock new realities and live the life you desire. Section 10. The Power of Now. The present moment is a powerful tool for transformation. By focusing on the now, we can access different layers of reality. This focus can help us move towards our dream life. Being present means letting go of the past and future. It means fully engaging with the current moment. This engagement creates a sense of clarity and peace. It allows us to connect with our true selves. The power of now also helps us align our energy. When we are present, we emit high-frequency energy. This energy attracts positive experiences. It helps us move towards our desired reality. Eckhart Tolle's teachings emphasize the importance of the present moment. By embracing the now, we can unlock new possibilities. We can shift our reality and move towards our dream life. The power of now is a key to personal transformation. Section 11. Embracing personal transformation. Personal transformation is a journey. It's about unlocking your potential and living your dream life. This journey requires courage, focus, and belief. but the rewards are worth it. Start by believing in yourself. Know that you have the power to change your reality. Your thoughts, feelings, and actions can shape your world. Embrace this power and use it to create the life you desire. Next, stay focused on your goals. Visualize your dream life and take steps towards it. Align your energy with your desired reality. Trust the process and stay positive. This focus will help you manifest your dreams. Finally, embrace the journey. Personal transformation is not always easy. There will be challenges and setbacks, but each step brings you closer to your dream life. Stay committed and keep moving forward. By embracing personal transformation, you can unlock new realities and live the life you desire.